Which airplane will fly the furthest? Let's start with something light. Foam. Did it fall because it's so light? Cardboard airplane. It's almost paper, so let's test it. Just 2 feet? The most popular one, paper. I thought this one would fly the best. The next one, duct tape airplane. This plane looks promising, so let's test. The airplane did a backflip and met my expectations. And the final one is a surprise, origami paper airplane. So let's try. And wait, today's new subscriber is Jillian Mitchell. So subscribe. Let's go! Oh! That was the longest fly of them all. The origami plane wins.